We are getting a breaking input as far as this story is concerned. Now, Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav met Union Home Minister Amit Shah and briefed him on the entire incident of what happened last night. So after the incident where 18 people have lost their life, Ashwini Vaishnav, the Union Railway Minister, is now meeting the Union Home Minister Amit Shah and briefing him about the entire incident. Remember, in the entire incident, and already a high-level inquiry committee has been set up. Apart from that, there is also Delhi Police that is investigating the entire matter as to what really went wrong. And now, what we are learning is that Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav is in fact meeting Home Minister Amit Shah and is in fact briefing him about the entire incident that transpired last night. I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Payal Mehta on this broadcast. Payal, over to you. This is a very crucial, important meeting that is going on between the Union Railway Minister and the Union Home Minister.
Well, of course, the Railway Minister, we're given to understand, has just about briefed the Union Home Minister as far as the entire episode concerning last night's incident is concerned. He's in fact giving him all the details, given the fact that, the Railways has already ordered a high-profile inquiry, Sharon, if I may say so. Given the fact that multiple people have lost their lives. And remember, the Railway Minister also got a call from the Home Minister yesterday. The Lieutenant Governor of Delhi was also called by the Home Minister yesterday, just after the episode. So today's briefing will be extremely important because, from now on, because we have the Kumbh going on till the 26th, and you can expect more and more crowds to come in. What are the arrangements that can really be made? How can, stampede be avoided, stampede kind of a situation be avoided? And how can you take further steps to make sure that crowd management is better? Something I'm sure Ashwini Vaishnav and the Union Home Minister have discussed in this particular meeting.
Also, Payal, when we talk about the national capital, the election just got over. We don't have a new chief minister yet. So in such a situation, who is really, supposed to take care of the entire situation? Of course, Home Ministry is there. But apart from that, the state government, who is going to look into what steps going to be taken into all this is considered by who?
The Lieutenant Governor still continues to be in charge as far as the union territory of Delhi is really concerned. It's the capital city as well. But like I said, Railways comes under the central government, and Railways has been taking effective measures, effective last night. You've seen the Prime Minister also expressing his deepest condolences to those people who unfortunately lost their lives. But what really led to the situation, that remains to be seen. We are getting different versions. We are getting versions saying that some people got pushed and probably that created a lot of panic. Some trains were late and that actually created a lot of panic. So multiple versions are coming out, right from the police to the railways right now. We'll have to just wait for a consolidated report because the railways has already ordered a deep a deep and a high level investigation in a matter like this.
All right. Many thanks, Payal, for joining us and getting us all those details. Like Payal also mentioned that there are multiple versions that are coming in.